What's up? Feel free to leave a comment with what gear you guys got for Christmas. Anyways, I got this cool GoPro. I'm not very tech savvy, so I won't be doing a review. And plus, there's already a lot of reviews for the GoPro Hero 8. I like that they added a mount, but more accessories would have been nice. Or at the very least, an extra mount. Moving on to the lock picking set. This lockpick set is by Sparrow Picks. So we got a couple of rakes here and a hook, and we got a couple of more hooks right here as well, and some tension wrenches too. And we also have some molly strapping in the back along with a malice clip. Next up is the tension wheel by Sparrow Picks. So this kind of reminds me of the Stargate portal. So right here we have a fairly new knife company called Revo Knives. I couldn't find when they were founded, so I'll have to look further into that. But the co-founders are Thomas Ward, Edward Anthonus, and Lawrence Ho. The Valsung feels amazingly comfortable in the hands. If you can't read this, it's Nexus 2022 ABL Still, Mead, Colorado. We also have these nice windows to find the safe and bite handle. So last but not least is another fairly new knife company called Damn Designs that was founded in 2017, if my facts are correct, by Adrian D. Solza. Now I haven't gotten around to looking up this model, so I can't tell you its name just yet. But I like that they threw in a branded cleaning cloth because you can never have too many of those. And I also like its simplistic and minimalist design. And I also really like its large blade width as well. And we got a N690 blade steel. And besides all that lube, it's really smooth. I hope you all have a safe and happy new year.